Hi, my name is Jennifer Doudna from UC Berkeley, and I'm here today to tell you about how we uncovered a new genome engineering technology. This story starts with a bacterial immune system. That means understanding how bacteria fight off a viral infection. That they tend to also occur with a series of genes, sequences to be integrated from viruses and then somehow used later to protect the cell from an infection with that same virus.
Do better as a health system as a whole, and I think that the pandemic, but the genetic opportunities, the veil has been shattered now. We know what we can do, and it's our responsibility, I think, not just to ourselves, but to nature and the world to push forward.
First, Western medication derived from it. There's scientific truth to all of this, especially in the power of the mind. You just have to believe it.
And these integrated bits of viral DNA get inserted at a site called CRISPR. CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. A big mouthful. You can
I'll do whatever it takes to save her, if I can.
I'm so sick and tired of being experimented on.
Every day, she's getting worse. And if not now, then when? You don't have time to doubt yourself. So are you going to save your daughter or not? I mean, what's the point of being a renowned scientist if you won't take this leap?
Eastern medication came
I just want to live a normal life.
Genetics, holistics, big pharma, the government, the pandemic. As CRISPR has made the possibility of genetic engineering to create vaccine a reality, everyone around the world is talking about healing.
believe in genetics. I believe in mRNA vaccines. I think the CRISPR is a miracle.
Do you trust science?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Oh, do you trust the government?
Sometimes.
Okay. Do you trust scientists?
Oh, yeah, I trust scientists, but people who are constantly saying, follow the science, they're usually looking at one particular thing being said by a scientist that fits their agenda, but they don't look at science as a whole. I mean, I don't think science is good or evil.
I trust science, but I don't trust scientists.
The problem is people are now listening to propaganda and disinformation.
How would you feel if there was a cure for Parkinson's, but it was genetic? Would you take it?
I would.
Why?
But I hate it.
Yes, I do trust science and scientists. I trust in the science, but I don't trust in the corporations.
What are the thoughts on the COVID vaccine? It's good. It's good. It's to help us for the.
I have I trust like the science. They are all the time improving, researching, helping, and
We know that there's always been, let's be real, a cure for cancer, Parkinson's, HIV. It's just that there's a big corporation, lot of money that goes into keeping us sick. So it took a pandemic to.
But you don't believe in other genetic cures?
I don't know whether I believe in them or not. I really don't.
And one of the reasons I want to make this film is that I don't think that people are informed of what it is that they're putting into their body if they don't know what the CRISPR and the mRNA vaccine is. A lot of misinformation can spread about.
The body is an amazing machine, but we need to put it in the right environment and we need to give it the best nutrients for it to thrive.
I really believe in homeopathic, alternative, and holistic medicine combined with the traditional medical practices.
Holistic medicine is something that takes a long time to work, and people just aren't willing to take the time to look into it or practice it. It has to be practiced on a daily basis, and it has to become a habit.
Do you trust holistic cures like herbs and things like that?
More than I trust other things.
What do you trust? Do you trust the medication that you take?
Yes, I do.
Good. Why?
Because it works for me.
It does work.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, to manage my mental health, I really need a combination of Eastern and Western practices, and that can range from good old Mary Jane to medications that, thank God, exist in the world, to a very healthy lifestyle of vitamins.
I've taken herbs. I've taken herbs for inflammation, turmeric. I would rather take that than ibuprofen because I have one kidney.
Nut seeds, dried fruits are great for you, okay? And this trail mix has almonds, cashews, walnuts, Brazilian nuts, sunflower seeds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, raisins, dates, papaya, pineapple, and coconut. This is definitely a great mix.
Do you believe in this vaccine?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Why?
Because I have to. Too many people who have not been vaccinated yet.
Once more, as loud as you can.
Too many people have not been vaccinated yet.
Do I approve of the COVID vaccine? Yes.
The reason I don't is because the government and mainstream media have a long history of lying to the public.
So I believe in the vaccine.
Okay.
So far so good. I try it and for me it's working. I don't have any symptoms or any problems with the coffee. I don't know if it's because of the vaccine or because my immune system, but I did put the 2 shots just in case.
So just get the vaccine and we can all get back to normal life.
I think it can be applied either way, but no, I'm not opposed to science at all. In fact, I think science has improved life for humans and all creatures on the planet tremendously.